Gazebo, why do people keep mistaking it for a tent? Lately, short videos keep popping up, where someone points at a European-style gazebo in a park and asks, how did they set up such a fancy tent? Turning the comments section into a literacy test battlefield. Behind this hilarious misunderstanding lies a fascinating clash of Eastern and Western cultures. Let's unravel the mystery of this architectural hybrid that looks like a pavilion but sounds like a tent. The ancestors of gazebos date back to ancient Roman aristocrats' grapevine pergolas. Picture wealthy folks lounging in rooftop viewing decks, watching sunsets and grilling meat, essentially ancient starry sky rooms. By 17th century England, these structures became a status symbol among nobles who competed to build increasingly ornate garden pavilions with carved columns and stained glass, turning gazebos into luxury art installations. The Victorian era took it to extremes. Hyde Park's gazebos featured gas lamps and heating systems. Imagine aristocrats sipping tea in fur coats during winter, transforming these open-air structures into Versailles-style experience zones. When Eastern pavilions meet Western gazebos, Chinese folks might say, isn't this just a tingsy pavilion? But the differences run deep. Take the Kanglang Pavilion in Sue's House Classical Gardens. It's designed for scenery-shifting views, framing landscape paintings with every step. Western gazebos, however, function more like outdoor living rooms. The one at Versailles Palace Gardens could host chamber concerts, complete with gilded chairs and Persian rugs. Here's a fun fact. British architect William Chambers once tried copying Chinese pagodas, but ended up creating a cultural mashup gazebo at London's Kew Gardens, which became Europe's most bewildering architectural meme. This cultural blending birthed gazebo hybrids worldwide. From traditional wedding venues at Tokyo's Meiji Shrine to Disneyland's Mickey Mouse-eared gazebos. Tentgate, a translation mix-up gone viral. If gazebos keep getting mistaken for tents, bad translations are partly to blame. The word gazebo comes from the Persian gazeban, shaded viewing platform. But when it reached China during the glamping craze, marketers rebranded luxury tents as portable gazebos, making the two seem like cousins. Quick cheat sheet. Gazebos equals architecture's permanent residence, stone, wood, metal. Tents equals outdoor world's nomadic tribe, lightweight, waterproof, ready to bolt. Next time someone confuses them, just say, gazebos are open-air villas, tents are mobile castles, they're not even in the same family.